What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my garage. Today we got this little Dodge Dakota pickup truck with the 4.7 Magnum engine. And we're going to be replacing the water pump. Be the same process for anything that has a 4.7 in it. I got my little helper out here. So let's not talk about it. Just go ahead and get it done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Alright, so we got this little shroud out. Shroud slash reservoir, whatever you want to call it. So it's just got two 10mm bolts. One here. One here. It's got two hoses. One on either side, and the thing just slides up out of there. That's all there is to it. So next we're gonna pull this clutch band and the serpentine belt, and it looks like we'll be right there at the water pump. Pretty quick and easy. Use a spanner, 1/2-inch drive ratchet. This one's been slightly modified, and a slightly modified crescent wrench. If you grind that little worm gear down right there, it'll open up farther. Made in USA. See, let me see what I need. Mama. Water pump bolts are also 15mm. So I'm going to have to pull this outward pulley to get a couple of those bolts. Other than that, it should be pretty simple. I'll be cleaning a bunch of silicone, as usual. So yeah, the only thing you need for this job is a 10mm, a 15mm, some pliers to pull some hoses off, and a big crescent wrench. That's it. A scraper or something to clean your gasket surfaces. This is what I use. It's 3M Roloc disc, ROLOC. You can Google it and it'll pop up. I think they're about $10 a piece. Well worth it. Alright, so you got 3 long bolts. One here, and one here. And the rest of them are short. Got 5 short ones, all 15mm. I just took this rubber hammer, smacked that a couple times till it broke to the seal. Let the water drain out. Grab my Freedom shades. stud goes at 3 o'clock. Next one goes at 9 o'clock. Alright, so that's going to do it for this episode of Nate's Garage. Don't forget to like,